Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we on backup my data in a Realme phone device. Friends, you want to on your backup my data setting in a Realme phone, so how can you on today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see guys how can we on backup my data in Realme phone device. Open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see this type of setting. So friends, you will have to click on guys your phone system setting guys. The system setting guys we will on from here guys, and then scroll it. Friends, you can see this type of setting. Friends, you can see your backup and reset guys, tap here. Friends, you can see your backup and data guys, you can on your backup and data setting from here guys. And guys, you can see guys backup account. You want to take your backup account, you can add your backup account from here and you can use it. So I hope friends you have understood how to backup my data in Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye guys, we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel, and when you have doubt related to guys your Realme phone setting, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.